Hi everyone, this is Aruna Arichami, Assistant Professor, Department of Information Technology, SNS College of Technology. In my lecture series today, we're going to see about the object-oriented concept, that is inheritance. So in the inheritance, we're going to see about the various types of an inheritance and where it could be used. That and all we're going to discuss. And along with the thing, we're going to see the two classes. One is a parent class, another one is a base class. So before entering into the thing, first we will discuss the what do you mean by parent and what do you mean by child classes. A parent class, it will have a certain behaviors, that is certain behaviors and properties. That is a features. It will have a separate features is available specific to the parent classes. So it can be inherited by using the extend keyword. That particular behavior and the properties of my parent class can be used in my child classes. So within an inherited manner by using a extend keyword. And also it will contain the extra properties and behavior of the specific to my child classes. So this is the how a parent and the child can be inherited. This is the how it can be worked. So there is a different types of an inheritance is available in our Java. One is single inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hybrid inheritance, multiple inheritance. But these three thing is normal. This four thing is normally supported in our Java, but this one is not supported. Here, the first level is supported. Second level is also supported. While go for a third level, it cannot inherit the two classes. In this case, definitely I have to use the interface concept. So all my hybrid inheritance as well as the multi-inheritance is does not supported in our Java. So how it could be achieved means only by using the interface concept, it could be achieved. By using the implement keyword and interface concept, it could be achieved. So, these are the various declaration we're going to see. First, single inheritance. Which one is a parent class? Class A is my parent class. Class B is my derived class. How can the write the syntax for this one? So I have to use the public access specifier. Public access specifier means we can able to access that particular class anywhere in the program. So I have defined as a public class A. So it will have certain features, it will have a properties and behavior. So this could be used in my derived class. Here my derived class is B. Public is access specifier keyword, class is a keyword, B is my derived class name, extends is a keyword for inheritance, A is my parent class name. So inside you can, the whatever the element present inside the class A, automatically it can be used under the P. For example, I can create an object B. I also access the A through B itself. I can able to access the A features. So this concept only we can call it as a single inheritance. What do you mean by multi-level inheritance? More than one level present in the pattern is called as a multi-level inheritance. So here I'm having a class A, it will have a certain features. Here, class A is my parent class, intermediate class is class B, their child class is class C. So I can able to inherit the whatever the content present in the A, I can able to use it in C. Through B, I can able to use A. A component can be inherited over here. Features can be inherited to C. So public class A, here you will have some content. Next, class B extends A. Whatever the features available, it will be inherited over here. Again, I have created my class, derived class C. It will extends the B. So whatever the element it will be present over here, it can be accessed over here. So inherently, defaultly, at how we can say, so in not a direct way, in indirect way, we can able to access the class A through the object C. If I created the object child class C, object is created means I can able to access B as well as A. The next one is a hierarchical. Hierarchical means its parent class can contain more than one child classes. That can be called it as a hierarchical inheritance. Class A is my parent class. Class B and C is my child classes. Here class A it will have certain feature. I will extend the two classes with the help of my parent class is A. So it will be defined like this. So multiple inheritance